thought I'd go through just these first two. This one right here is really nicely set up for finding what's called the x and y intercepts. The x-intercept, sometimes you can just cover up right here, but it's kind of like plugging in 0 for y when you do that. So it'd be like x minus 0 equals 4. That's how you were taught. You could also just cover up. This is gone, and then you'd say x equals 4. That's what's called your x-intercept. You'd cover up x or put in 0 for x to find your y-intercept. You'd have negative y equals 4. You would divide by negative 1, and you would get that y is negative 4. These two right here are called your x and y intercepts, and they are for that first line. You'd plot that at 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, and you would draw your line. Can't find Stumpy. There we go. You would put that first or that top equation in. When you put in your second one, you could do the same thing. You could do your x and y intercepts. So if you cover up y, you would have x equals negative 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And cover up x, and you'd have y as negative 4, because you'd have 2y equals negative 8. You would divide by 2, and you would have y equals negative 4. And that would be here. Now, some people aren't as comfortable with doing x and y intercepts. So to get this red line, they may not have done it that way. They may have instead taken this equation, x plus 2y equals negative 8. They may have said, I'm going to subtract x from both sides and get 2y equals negative x minus 8. And then isolate y completely and divide by 2. Divide by 2. Now division affects that whole side of the equation. So this is going to be 1, negative 1 over 2 with the x, negative 8 divided by 2, and that's negative 4. So this red line you could have done with intercepts, or you can see this negative 4 and that slope down 1 to the right 2, down 1 to the right 2. You can see that sitting right there. Either option is okay, just kind of depends on your style, what you prefer. Now number 2 is already in this format. That's mx plus b. Number 2 and number 3, they're both already in that format, so they're kind of easier in that respect. You would start at 3 on the y-axis. So you'd go 1, 2, 3. Now your slope is negative 3. It has a rise, but it doesn't have a run, so you could put a 1 there. So that means to go 1, 2, 3 to the right 1. 1, 2, 3 to the right 1. Starting at 3. And you would put that line in. Where this one says to start at negative 7. So you'd start way down here at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then you'd go up 2 over 1, up 2 over 1, up 2 over 1. And then don't forget to name where they cross. These two cross at 0, negative 4. So it's 0, negative 4. That's the solution to the system that you're trying to solve.